Menteri Sorkar Pedeng Bakhmi Ikatanat Finance but Corporate Affairs kan Nirmala Sitharaman mentakasngi khat khandai tarik jeliu kala Plie Paidbah yaka Northeast India's largest organic spice processing plant jangka Eastern Ri-Bhoi Organic Farmer Producer Company Limited Shillong lom dat Club Hoi Rembong Ri-Bhoi District. Kani ka karkhana penmi bat penbahaya ki marep organic kadai kabalate deka jingrut kabakot kumba laipo klor tengka kabala bay pisar deka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA lengba ka focus program bat ka International Fund for Agricultural Development hapo ka Meghalaya Livelihoods and Access to Markets Project Meghalaya. Hakani ka sila sakhiru ya ka jinga soy bat ka jingnya IT markeliang ya ki Memorandum of Understanding hapadeng ki company paper bat ka Eastern Ri-Bhoi Organic Farmer Producer Company Limited bat kente bat penya yau ya ki marep balapan mi. Hakajing Plie Paidbah ladon langru Menteri Rangba Khubor Meghalaya kontrat ke Samla, Menteri Rangba Khubor Sikkim Prem Singh Tamang, usembut Menteri Rangba Khubor Bak Preston Tensong, ki Menteri Sorkar, ki MLA, ki Officer Sorkar Jilla, Bat District, Bat Kiwe.
Sir. Yes, cameras can just scoop it back. Thank you, guys. Ma'am,
to be a top team.
Last week I had visited some of the units, not for ginger, not for any of these products, but for those local dryland area farming products. I would think there's so much of learning for those units which are in North Karnataka, which I personally monitor, for them to learn from the quality that you've set up here. Very well done, Meghalaya. The transformation underway in Ri-Bhoi therefore shows how targeted investments, community participation, and institution building can actually create durable and inclusive development outcomes. This project also demonstrates the power of leveraging externally aided and convergence financing for grassroots transformation. Later in the day, I will attend foundation stone laying ceremony of multiple external aided projects. Consider what this plant will handle. Media is present here, and I would specifically like to draw their attention on what this plant will be handling. Lacadon turmeric, which received its GI tag status in 2024, carries a curcumin content of 7 to 12%, more than twice the level found in most commercially traded Indian turmeric varieties, and is valued by wellness, nutraceutical, and functional food markets globally. It is indeed the miracle spice of Meghalaya. This unit will be handling that as well. Meghalaya ginger is the other product which this unit is handling. There are two varieties, Nadia and Varada variety, is earning recognition for low fiber content, plumpy rhizomes, and excellent dry matter recovery. The global ginger market is projected to approach $7 billion by the year 2030. The highest growth segment within this market is certified organic ginger sourced from traceable high integrity origin. Meghalaya is precisely that origin, and Meghalaya's ginger meets the traceability test, and therefore here you're dealing with two almost premier products which has global standards. For decades, many regions exported raw produce and imported prosperity. The objective today is fundamentally different. We must export finished products, trusted brands, and world-class quality while retaining value, jobs and livelihoods within the region. And that's what you are achieving here today.
While as the finance minister of the country, the big decisions are very critical. But the human side of her realizes the importance of these small things that make that little difference in our farmers and in our people's lives, which for us looks very small, but for every farmer, it is a game-changing development that has taken place. And to be able to recognize that is the quality that I have noticed in our finance minister. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to our respected finance minister for all the efforts that she makes to ensure that every citizen's life is touched and is improved and positive changes come out of them. In the last 8 years, it has been the endeavor of our government to precisely make those small changes in our farmers' lives. For us, one of the most important driving factors, and for me, maybe one of the most important objectives, is to be able to make a positive difference in a person's life. And I always tell even a large gathering that for me, when I can make a person smile and I can impact their lives, which would lead to them smiling, I think that is the greatest satisfaction that I can get. And for me, that is maybe one of the most important motivational factors also. To be able to see a smile on my citizens' faces. Today, 11 such units are functional throughout the state. On an average, each unit supports on an average 5,000 farmers. That means about 55,000 lives and families have been impacted by these small steps that we have taken. And I was just telling Madam before I came here to speak that we did not invent what is happening out here. The people have been doing this for ages, for years if not decades. And they have invented the wheel. We are only trying to ensure that we take it one notch up. So therefore, these systems were existing. People were already doing what they were or what they are doing right now. We just simply made it better. We selected the correct groups. We went into their backgrounds of seeing the kind of passion and commitment that they have. Because for us, maybe that is one of the most important qualities we look for in any human being or any group, is are they passionate enough?